Lil C, y'all know what the fuck it is, man. It's that Real Talk Part 2. We coming to the top, man. It's gonna happen. One thing to another, same shit, different day. Writing on so much paper like it's an essay. You know what it is, Lil C in this bitch. Got my hand on the clip, pistol whip you in your lip, make your front tube chip. I ain't playing around, I'm true to this, and you are not true to shit. You say you are, well you are funny. Say you pay, got pocket money, put money in your pocket, bottom it drops my bread pot all the way to the top. My bread came down to my socks. No spending money, fuck a chain and watch. Stay on DL, sneaking like a fox. She thinks she fine, she thinks she hot. I give you that, but you know, big shot. You think you're boiling hot, like some water in a pot. Nah, that shit just needs to stop. You shouldn't have let your looks take you over. She letting guys fuck her when they don't even know her. Wow, you really ugly on the inside, girl. You a whore, make me wanna hurl like damn. You a nasty ass, and not only that, I heard you had a really nasty past. So on my pussy list, your ass has been slashed. No time for you anyway, I'm after this cash. I'm short with it this moment like Steve Nash, but I'm gonna make it fast like Steve Nash in a flash. 4 months, bitch, I'm on my way. But first thing I'm gonna do, hit up the uppercuts. Get a bitch, get a nut, then grab some Crown Royal Gold, of course, that high price shit. Tip the bottle back, then knock down all of it. Fuck the size of it, take a hit. The influence, I'm under it, and it makes me better when I spit. Hawk and spit right up on yo bitches clit. Then the rest of my clique will hit that shit and send her on her way to the dude that's a bitch, man. You a fake ass, man. That's all you is. And your boys are too. You know what I'm saying? Y'all act like some motherfucking kids out here and shit, man. Y'all need to grow the fuck up. Get the fuck up out of here, man. Y'all wanna see some real? We right here, man. We right here.